Hey guys, I love simple recipes, so we're making these up today, steak bites. You can make these in about 10 minutes at the most, maybe 10-15. They're incredibly delicious. Very few ingredients, you're going to love them. So let me walk you through this, let's get started. Okay guys, what I've got here is the sirloin, so I'm just going to slice this up. And you want a fairly good cut of beef. Then we're going to go ahead and cube this up. And you want some fairly big cubes, something like this. Okay, now I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan. And you want a fairly generous amount here. I'm using a cast iron pan, but you can use the pan of your choice. Add the beef in. I just love that sizzle. And we're going to season this up with some salt, some ground black pepper, and fry this up for about 5 minutes, just until the beef is nicely browned. Of course, you want to turn it occasionally. Now this dish should be done fairly quickly. I like it medium rare, and like I say, use a good cut of meat like a sirloin steak. This is so good. You don't want it overdone, otherwise it's going to become tough. Alright, now I'm going to add a good knob of butter and kind of stir this around. You wouldn't believe the smell of this. Add in about 3 or 4 cloves, chopped up garlic, and the rosemary, with a few sprigs. And as we stir, the smell becomes increasingly yummier. And I should add, guys, if you don't want rosemary, you can add thyme or parsley. It's entirely up to you. But Alright, now we're just going to kill the heat. This looks so good. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. Of course, you got to get some of that juicy sauce in there. Doesn't this look fantastic? Of course, we're going to drizzle some of that yummy sauce over the top. Yum. Garnish with some chopped parsley over the top. Looks incredibly gorgeous. And there you have it, guys, our steak bites. Okay, let me give this a taste test. So good, guys. The beef is so tender. The garlic shines through. Just incredible. Just a great appetizer, or even a main. I just love it. I could eat the whole bowl. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.